the Canadian Judicial Council has completed its review of the conduct of Manitoba Court of Queen's Bench Justice Vic Toews and says it won't be investigating complaints against him further. The Council said Thursday that 2 complaints were reviewed by Justice Christopher Hinkson, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of British Columbia, who found nothing that would warrant Toews' removal. Chief Justice Hinkson notes that the Federal Ethics Commissioner did not make any findings that put into question the integrity, good faith or credibility of Justice Toews, the Council said in a media release. Upon a full review of all the relevant information, Chief Justice Hinkson found an absence of any information that would suggest an attempt to mislead or reveal conduct incompatible with the duties of judicial office. The review was launched following a complaint received in relation to a report by the Conflict of Interest and Ethics Commissioner. In April, Canada's Ethics Commissioner found the former Conservative Cabinet Minister breached conflict of interest rules by doing consulting work for 2 Manitoba First Nations after he left office. Mary Dawson's report last spring said Toews advised a First Nations group he had once fought in court when he was Treasury Board President in the former federal Conservative government. Dawson's report said Toews acted for or on behalf of a party that was seeking relief against a decision in which he had been involved as a minister of the Crown. The report said Toews also broke the rules requiring a 2-year cooling-off period for providing consultancy services to the Norway House Cree Nation through a company owned by his wife. Toews challenged the decision of the commissioner in court, but dropped the case recently. National advocacy organization Democracy Watch filed a complaint against Toews with the Canadian Judicial Council after his alleged conflict interest was raised. The actions that were under scrutiny by the Commissioner were not ones that raised issues for the Canadian Judicial Council, Norman Sabarin of the CJC said Thursday. I am of the view that there was a thorough review because it's an issue that was in the public domain and it deserved a thorough review, which is what the Council did. Toews' lawyer said Thursday he is happy the matter is finished. I thought the Ethics Commissioner's process was badly flawed and unfair, and so am happy that everything's over, Robert Tapper said.